back. So today we've got a lot going on the Impala project. We've got Roy's from On the Spot, Bedlining, and off-road here. We're doing a ton of stuff for one of the few shops that we found that will actually come out on site, which is kind of nice. So if you don't have a lot of time, check them out. They're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And they don't just do bedliners, they do wheels, they do tires, they do all kinds of different accessories. So as you can see behind us, this is getting taped off, and in about an hour or so she'll get a fresh coat of bedliner on the bottom. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get into the frame and start getting that ready to get coated and put everything back down. That's it.